Like, what? Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So I'm really excited about this video today because I'm sure you guys already know what it's about. I'm going to be trying out the new Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and I just have to say, thank you, Lord. Where do I even begin? Of course, I'm wearing it right now. I'm also wearing it with her concealer, her powder, her contour stick. I did not prime or color correct because I forgot to. I was so excited to use this, so totally forgot to color correct and prime, but that's okay. We'll really see how the foundation lasts, like, you know, on its own. Let's just get right into it. But first, please make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, comment, share, and let's get into this review. Okay, so I'm sure you guys already know what this video is going to be about. So let's just get right into it. I picked up the new Fenty Beauty foundation today. This is the Pro Filter Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. And I'm really excited to try this. So I have tried her first foundation, which is the Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I do like it. This is probably one of my favorite foundations. I do have dry skin, but it never messed with my dry skin, if that makes any sense. So because I do love this foundation, my expectations for this foundation is very high, and I'm sure that it will not disappoint. I'm very sure. So in my previous videos, I've been using the L'Oreal True Match foundation just to give me more of like a natural dewy glow. Since it is summer, I didn't want to do like, you know, a lot of the matte looks. Kind of wanted to like have that healthy glowing skin, so I'm hoping that this one will kind of do the same thing, but let's test it out. So I am in the shade 380. I was going to get 385, but I asked the lady at Sephora to help match me, so she took out 370, 380, and 385, and 380 was the best. So I was using 385 in the Soft Matte foundation, so let's see how the 380 works. And I also picked up a Sephora full coverage foundation brush. Now you guys know I love my Real Technique sponge to blend out everything, but I kind of wanted to try something new, especially with this new foundation. So I just picked up a foundation brush and let's see how it blends out. So it does come with a pump. I really do like the packaging too. It's really cute. You get 1.8 ounces. With the other foundation, it's also the same 1.8. So you're not, like, you know, it looks smaller, but you're still getting the same amount. So I'm just going to do 2 pumps for now. It feels thick. Yeah, this feels like, ooh, my hair. Yeah, this feels like thick. That was like, oh, and it smells good. It smells like her powders. Alright, so let's... Oh my god, this smells so good. This smells... Oh, it smells exactly like her powder. That looks like skin. That looks like skin. Oh my gosh. You guys, I cut my hair, if you haven't noticed. No, I'm loving, wow. Like, do you see that? I didn't even color. Oh, I definitely forgot to color. I forgot to prime. Oh, I was just too excited. I forgot to do everything. I forgot to prime. I forgot to color correct. And I'm going out. Alright, we're just going to... Let's see how the foundation works on its own. Okay, so in my next video, I'll probably like remember to do all the other steps. But it's good that I didn't color correct, so you can see, like, you know, if it's full coverage or not. And this is, I would say, medium to full coverage. If I do like one more pump, it'll definitely be full coverage for me. But this is like a second skin. I don't know. Like, this is, wow, and it just lays on my skin. This is really beautiful. So I have like some dark spots right here. I'm gonna try and like do like just a little second layer over here to see like if it'll cover it up, if it's like full coverage. So let's test that out. I can't get over the smell. Oh my god. I'm really here for this. I'm here for this. I really like this. It feels very lightweight. The coverage is amazing. Like, you're glowing. Like, you know, I'm sure like you won't be as glowy once you set it, but like it just feels like skin. Like, I just perfected my skin. And yeah, so far I really like it. Like, I can't stop looking at the monitor because I'm just like, are you for real right now? Like, what? So I'm going to finish doing my makeup and we'll be back with the finished product. And here it is, the final look. The first thing that I want to say is I cannot stop looking at the monitor because I just look like, wow. Sis. Okay, like, what? This foundation is Skin 2.0 in a bottle. Seriously. Like, it's just my skin enhanced in a bottle. Like, wow. It's just perfect. It's really perfect. I mean, I look healthy. Like, I have that healthy, dewy look. I don't look greasy or like sweaty or anything. So far, it's been like a good hour. I was doing my makeup and it didn't oxidize or anything like that. I will see later on through the night. I have dry skin. So for my oily girls out there, I don't know how this might work for you. Definitely give it a try. I'm sure it's not going to make you look like a grease bubble or something, but definitely give it a try. You never know like what your skin is like really asking for. You really have to listen to your skin because sometimes you could be overly greasy because you're not moisturizing your skin like with the correct things or giving it enough moisture to begin with. So definitely try it out. Try it twice, either like by itself or with a primer, and then see if it's up your alley or not. But this is definitely 10 out of 10 for me. Like, I really like this. I really like this. This is gorgeous. So I really hope that you enjoyed this review. Go ahead, leave a thumbs up, comment. Let me know what other products you want me to bring on my channel, what other looks you would like me to do. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in my next upload. Thank you for watching.